Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are soldering connector with broken trace and anchor pad. Let's start by cleaning remain solder with the help of flux and desoldering wick. Let's scratch trace and solder wire in place. Let's secure it with UV mask. Let's scratch unwanted UV mask. Let's solder connector. First, we will solder pins. Then we will solder remaining anchor pad. Let's solder remaining anchor pad. Let's remove excess solder. I will use B700 glue for broken anchor pad. Be careful while using glue, it should not go inside the connector. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.